Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo ki kubor na ke jela.
Ini one ban kren na reservation. Namar gina mala ban kren ya roster la ban kren reservation. No, how can we speak about the roster system if reservation is not being discussed? So that is what we've been insisting upon the government. And so unless the government talks about the reservation, I think there's no point talking about the roster system.
So can we say that due to you not being satisfied with the outcome of the meeting, was that you stage or walk out from the meeting?
Well, there's no point, discussing about the roster system because, it's like putting the cart before the horse. So unless you talk about the reservation policy, roster system, discussing and spending time in the roster system, for us as a party, we feel it's just a waste of time.
That can be implemented. That can be implemented easily by the different departments. They don't need to call us this meeting. It is not so complicated. It's not rocket science to understand the roster system. So first, we come to this meeting simply because we have been invited to come. They put in the subject of the letter as reservation roster. So we thought that the twin issues will be discussed. But when in the meeting we asked whether why the OM of 2022 does not speak about the population structure, which the 1972 resolution clearly stated that the principle of reservation is the population also. But here the OM of 2022 speaks nothing about the population structure, and therefore we feel that it is pointless to have a discussion on the roster system, which is, I would say, a very simple matter which can be understood by anyone without coming to this meeting. Kamlong hi kum subject jong ki reservation roster penekran kren reservation di kren bitang sanho te kai ka latest ruling jong Supreme Court nak sanho ka ki shikan rokho te and this is manong if away ga reservation hangde ha pi pe reservation ha ki centrally funded central institutes ya ki shell tracts ka ya 7.5% throughout India ha ki scheduled areas ki ya kum ka reservation chong katu ka university marki suthu ka scheduled track areas te kire ka suthu paganir ka scheduled track areas kamdei bagan ka 80% kan par poisha court kala poisha court kanu khusin tang ba ka court kamlei this is subject of the government hadu mentangin kampat lei ka court bangin ong mangi bakan le si ka rong ba pin pe na 1971 hangtu gyong ba ka resolution ka bakran gyong ba in basic population but ka we galong ba ki ko ka reservation kam dei ka combined ST tingamla ru ban shim ya combined ST population hab shim hi ya ke individual ST population ka individual ST population how 1971 ki khasi kilong subsan percent ki karo la shur around up to 32% leki dunai ka 32%. They have 2011 ka population to khasi ki 47% ka population to garo ki 32%. Tena ta kla ban through ka population structure come reflect ka reservation policy ka ba ka 1972 resolution ka ong ba it is based on the population.